so here we are, another Stitch Fix. I know what you're thinking, why are you doing another Stitch Fix? Because you keep on getting dud boxes. And honestly, I couldn't tell you. I guess I should say hi, hello. Bit of an abrupt opening there. Hello, my name is Caroline. If you're new around here, I do all types of videos on my channel, ranging from vlogs, motherhood stuff, food and Stitch Fix hauls, as you can tell by this video here. And I have never had a successful keeping all the 5 items in a Stitch Fix box. Fingers crossed today's the day. I did actually look at the items my stylist had decided to send me before she sent them to me, and I've never done that before, and I'm glad I did because there were some not so cute things on there. I'll insert the footage actually now so you can see some of the items that were proposed to send. So of the list of things that she thought about sending me, I said yes to 2 of them. So I assume they will be in the box unless there's been some sort of mix-up and I haven't received them. So I think there's a play suit and a dress, I think, if I remember correctly, in the box. I feel like there might be shoes in there. And I'll leave all the information below about Stitch Fix. If you click my link below, you do get £15 off your first box. I also get £15 just as a full disclaimer. I'm not going to describe what Stitch Fix is. I feel like I do that in every video. And like I said, everything's down below. But I will say there are 5 items in every Stitch Fix box. I don't know what there is apart from the 2 things which I've agreed to. So let's go. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there's no shoes. I always get that so wrong. Why do I always put the shoes in there? Right, let's see. I don't want to see what I've got yet. Have I got a little cards that you get with your orders? So Daisy styled me today. And hi Caroline, and welcome to your 6th fix. I hope this finds you well, and thank you for reviewing the collection I shared with you at the beginning of the week. It's so lovely to see that you found some pieces you like the look of. I love the dress you picked from blah 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 blah. This colours scream summer. So basically, I was very specific about what I did and didn't want in this box. Before she had chosen some items to possibly send, I'd already said summer clothes only. I don't want any dark colours. I don't want any jeans. I don't want office wear. I only want summer themed items because I've had enough. Every box I've had recently has always been like catered for autumn and winter months. And I just don't want that. I want the summer clothes, although the weather in England at the minute is useless. It's raining non-stop. But anyway, summer is coming. So I only wanted summer clothes. I don't want any office wear. I've got enough office clothes and I don't need any more. And yes, so I was very specific. And so the things that she suggested in my possible to send, there are a couple of things in there that I was just like, no, do not send me things like this. So I hope she's listened to me. As you said, the longer skirts weren't really your style. I added this mini skirt as well. What do you think of the style? I added this fair trade tee from Thought to go with it. But this is a great staple to add to your wardrobe for the summer. I finished this collection with the jumpsuit. I love the dusty pastel colours. What do you think? Ooh, pastel colours. Now that's more up my alley. Hold on. The fear. Don't spill coffee on the clothes. Please. Summer colours, summer colours, summer. Oh, they've all fallen out. So this is the beginning bit, and this is the other stuff. It's fallen out. Okay, we'll start with the thing I knew that was coming, which is this, which I said yes to. When I looked at the things, I said yes, as I like the colours. I think it's a dress, is it? Yes, it's a dress. I really like this actually. So the colours are definitely me. Obviously I'll try everything on so you can see what it looks like. It's from the brand Market and Spruce. So yes, let's try that on. I'm a big fan of those colours. Hopefully the style suits me. It's the fear that you love the look of it and then you put it on, it doesn't suit. Fingers crossed that works. This, let's see what this is. What's that? Oh, that's a skirt. Oh, it's like a jersey material. I quite like that. Okay. I do like my stripes, so that's very summery. It's got pockets. It's like a t-shirt material, not what I was expecting actually. And this is the t-shirt she suggested. This garment is crafted from fair trade organic cotton. So it's just a plain white t-shirt. We will see, because although it's fair trade and looks good quality, We'll see how much it is, because I'm not spending a lot of money on a plain white t-shirt, I'm afraid. I'm not that fancy, honestly. We'll see, it might be, I'm hoping it'll be nice. I do have a white t-shirt already. I don't know if I need another one. It's a bit of a random thing to get in a box, I must admit. What else is in here? Okay, so this is the jumpsuit, which I agreed to. I was a bit apprehensive to agree to it, I must admit, because I wasn't sure it was my style, but I wanted to give it a go, because obviously the point of Stitch Fix is to try and like change your style a bit or mix it up a bit. So I thought I would take a risk. So if I don't like that, this is my fault. Right, well, it's impossible to show you. It's basically a jumpsuit. It's the neckline which worries me a little bit. It's not really, it's not necessarily something I would usually go for, but we'll see. And it's got like these leafy print. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. It's from oh, it's like a canvas tag. It's from a brand called Magnolia Grace. We'll see. And then the final thing, I like the colours. What is it? Is this a jumpsuit as well? Oh, it is. How's that? Oh, okay. Oh, that's interesting. Right, okay. So it's like a pastel jumpsuit with stripes on, as you can see. It's got like this, you know, that elasticated back to it. So it's a jumpsuit. It's quite like baggy legs. Obviously, I'll try these on because it's impossible to show right now. But so far, I like the colours. Okay, so here we have the t-shirt and the skirt on. What do we think? Oh, it's tricky because, well, first of all, obviously, plain white t-shirt. We've already discussed that. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It fits fine. It's a box down white t-shirt, can't complain. My concern is the skirt. Because I've got what are these called, like love handle thingies. The skirts have to come up a bit. They have to come up above, like to my belly button level. And so I don't know if it's too short. I feel like it might be too. I think it's not too bad. It just makes me a bit self-conscious of bending over, especially if I've not got like shorts on underneath. And then also this sort of thing where I'm not sure if it's very flattering, because it feels like, you know, it's a bit like, you know, it's a bit of a weird one. I don't really understand what that's for. I don't know how I feel about this string. What's the point of it? Is that is the back or the front? That is the front, isn't it? Yeah, the pockets are there. What do you do with that? What a weird place to put strings. Obviously you could pull them out. That seems a bit pointless. Why would I? What does that add? She likes a string, doesn't she, my stylist? But actually, I'm a fan. I like this. Yeah, summer. I'm a fan of this. I love the colours. This is the sort of thing I like. Bright colours. Something you can wear when the sun is shining and you don't know, and you're going to go meet people in the park, you're not sure what to wear. And then you have this sort of number and everything's bright. And then you get cold because you're out too long. But yeah, this is what I like. I like this a lot. Thumbs up. First of all, I cannot for the life of me do it up. It's got like these two tiny buttons here that are meant to go in this. These tiny little loops. Can't for love nor money get it together. This material is a bit weird. I can't show it to you really, but it's sort of like elasticating material. It feels a bit more like, oh, I don't know what material is. Basically it just feels really odd, and I just don't know how I feel about this. Like, I know flares are supposed to come back in fashion, but I'm not sure how I feel about it, and I just think this makes me look a bit like, I'm going to go look in the mirror. I've just looked in the mirror. Sean has done it up for me at the back, and I just am not feeling it. I don't think it flatters me much, and yeah. See, another thing around the middle. Clearly my style today. Like if I take that off, it looks weird because the lines don't line up, which is really irritating. What's that about? Wouldn't have hurt, would it? Just to match those up. Why doesn't that match up? It seems like an error. Oh, that's not good for OCD. That is infuriating. Why on earth does that not match up? Wouldn't it have been a bit more... Oh no. I mean, unless you're looking at it, you can't really tell. I'm not sure about this one. Those lines have already given me an irritation vibe with it. It's quite... Okay, so the issue I'm having straight away is my torso is quite long. It's not comfortable. TMI, don't care, life, isn't it? So that's not very comfortable, but I do quite like it apart from the lines not matching up. This is obviously a bit, I prefer this one to the other one simply because it feels a bit more summery with it like showing a bit of ankle, as opposed to the other one which was like to the ground, whereas if you like stood in a puddle it would get absorbed into your outfit. I've looked in the mirror, I do quite like it, but it hasn't got pockets. It's like a linen material as well, so it's quite thick. Do I feel like it's very summery? Yes, I like the colours of it. It's just the lines that don't line up. I feel like I might be able to see past that. It's just an item of clothing. It's not a piece of art on the wall. So, I think I could probably get away with this. I can wear this with some Converse. I'm out of breath. Getting my clothes back on. Oh, is this on backwards? Feels like it is. Yes, it is. Okay, so pricing, where has my thingy-majiggy? Is that it? No, where's the receipt? So, what I can already say is that I will not be keeping all 5 items because the jumpsuit, this one here, I can't get bored of it. It's really like a heavy material. Like it's just like the shape of it just doesn't fit my figure. It clings to me and annoys me. It just feels like it's weighing me down. And the length of it is weird. And yeah, so I'm not going to be keeping this unless it's 50p. Doubt it. So this isn't going to be a no. And also in that case, I probably won't be keeping the t-shirts, the plain white t-shirt. I don't need a white t-shirt. I've got a white t-shirt in my wardrobe, so it's all very well and good sending me the skirt, which could go with the t-shirt, but I don't need the t-shirt. Let's start with the Genie ruffle detail dress. So that'll be the super colourful one, which I think I am going to keep because I like it a lot. So this dress here is £45, which I think is quite about an average price for a dress, isn't it? I feel like £45 is, I wouldn't say it's reasonable, but I wouldn't say it's too expensive. So I think I will keep this because I do really like it. I love the colours and it just is, it's just a summery item. That's what I've been looking for this whole time and I finally have something. The organic t-shirt, I think we've already established I will not be keeping this because it's too boring and plain. I like the fact that it's fair trade, but this is £27.95. I cannot justify spending £30 on a t-shirt, no matter or not if it's fair trade. I can't, you know, it's just a white t-shirt. I appreciate this fair trade, but that's too much money. The jumpsuit, which I do really like, is £35. Okay, so that's £35. I think I'll keep this as well. The lines don't line up, which doesn't please me, and it is a little bit an angle. It's a bit tight on the old torso, but I do really like it. I think it's really nice for summer as well. And the things, I mean, the lines not lining up is something I can look past, and it wasn't sort of tight to the point of like I couldn't breathe or it was super uncomfortable. It was just when I put it on or like do too much like flailing my arms up. So I think I will keep this. I will be checking out all of the items I do buy online to make sure they're not on sale, because if anything is on sale on the actual supplier's website, you can let Stitch Fix know and they will price match you. Good to know. People on YouTube told me that when I bought something from Sugar Hill Brighton, which was on sale, and I didn't pay full price for it in the end. Thank you everyone who told me about that, because that would have been annoying if I'd paid full price when it was cheaper on the actual website. Let's see, the printed jumpsuit, which I don't like, is £55. It's a no, sorry. And then the mini skirt is £36. I think it's going to be a no, which is really disappointing. It's this bit. I really just dislike the, I just don't think it's very mini skirty. It looks like it should be a pair of shorts. If it was a pair of shorts, I may think differently, but £36 for something I'm not 100% on, I don't think I could justify it. And these silly little like strappy bits, I don't know what the need is for it. If the skirt is elasticated at the waist, which it is, I don't need to be tighter, which is annoying because I did really like it. I do really like stripes, but it's a no, unfortunately. So yeah, but if anyone is interested, if I were to keep all 5 items, the total would be £198.95. But then if you buy all 5 items, you get 20% discount, which would be for £39.79. So the total of all 5 items, including the 20% discount, would be £159.16, minus the £10 stylist fee, which would obviously bring the cost down to £149.16. So that's how much I would be paying, but obviously I won't be paying that because I'm not keeping everything. So I'll be keeping the £45 dress and the £35 jumpsuit, which is £80, and then minus the stylist fee would be then £70. So I'll be paying £70 for those 2 items. It's not super cheap, I'm fully aware of that, but I do really like the things, and so yeah, that's it. But I'll be sending the other things back, which is a shame. Still haven't got my 5 for 5, but a lot more positive than my previous boxes. At least I liked the items. And I didn't open the box disappointed, as I have done for most of the boxes I have had in the past. Like I said, if you'd like to give Stitch Fix a go, I will leave the link in the description box. You do get £15 off your first box. What do you think of the box I got today? Do you think that I should have kept any more of the items, or do you think I'd made the right decision in keeping those 2 things? If you have liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up. I'd love it for you to also subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you join the gang. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.